Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the file and setting constraints that matter. Choose a template or blank deck and set the slide size to 16, 9 for screens. Next, save immediately and enable auto recover so you avoid lost work. Once done, create a title slide and add your main heading and subtitle. This anchors the presentation. Make sure to pick a consistent theme and define a simple color palette now, because those choices speed up layout later and keep slides visually coherent throughout. Now you construct the body. Add section headers and use predefined layouts to maintain alignment. Insert charts and images, then compress images to 150 ppi to reduce file size without ruining clarity. Once visuals are placed, edit the slide master so fonts, logo placement, and footer appear consistently. This saves time and prevents last-minute fixes. Also, use simple animations sparingly to guide attention, and rehearse pacing per slide so timings feel natural. These middle steps turn raw content. Finish by rehearsing the full slideshow and setting timings so transitions match your speech. Practice until your pacing is natural. Once ready, export a PDF for distribution, but keep a PPTX copy for presenting so animations and transitions stay intact. When troubleshooting, test the presentation on the actual projector or external monitor. If fonts shift, embed fonts or use system-safe fonts. If media won't play, relink or convert to MP4. These checks prevent common failures during the live session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.